Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video, I'm going to do a couple of little tiles. I'm going to make a couple of coasters in these colors. So my colors are, this is Sapphire by Sheleeart. Can find it. Extreme Sheen. Put a little bit of that. Oh, silly me, look at that. I'm getting ahead of myself here. I got to put my pillow down. My pillow is Glidden Premium. I'm just going to take a scoop. It's about a tablespoon. All right, so let's do the Sapphire, Sheleeart Sapphire. Whoopsie, whoopsie. Then I have Oriental Violet by Pebeo. This one here. And then this one is probably a couple of turquoises mixed together. Deep Turquoise, Winsor and Newton, Pebeo Blue Green. And then I have some Pebeo Blue Black. And I can't find it. There it is. It's a nice color. I thought I would try a dark color on top. I'm going to use white cell activator today. I don't usually use white that much by itself, so I'm going to give it a whirl today. I use my mini blower. Whoop, whoop. Oh, that one got away from me today. Now I don't like how I blew that one out. Oh, well, you know what, ladies and gentlemen? Let's try this again. Maybe I'll use my straw this time. It's nice to have the paint piled in the middle, so the middle is the thickest. I'm gonna make up some more of the sapphire. That's a little better. I don't usually use that much cell activator, but just trying different things. I'll try and let the middle come back. There. Sometimes I'm not fond of a big white blob in the middle, but we'll see. There. Let's spin it out and see what we get. Little air bubbles. I love this color combination. Give it another spin. That is very pretty. Okay, so I'm going to do another one, and you will see. Maybe I'll reverse a couple of colors just to see the difference. I didn't get a lot of the violet come through, so maybe I'll switch two and see what the difference is. Still moving quite a bit. I think I might need to spin it again. All right, I'm going to take this one off and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I just had to make up a little more sapphire. Okay. Let's put down my pillow paint, Glidden Premium. Okay, sapphire's going down next. Just try a couple of drops of water. Oh, I got a lot of weight on that one. There you go. So that's showing more of the Oriental Violet. I really think this has some magenta in it. I don't know why I have this label on here. I'll check it out and I'll write the color in the video. This is pretty. See the difference just reversing two colors makes. All right, let's spin this out. It's all moving quite nicely. I don't have such a big blob in the middle this time. Probably because of the blowing technique and how you blow it out and what's left in the middle. I love that sapphire blue. Very nice. That is. There, I love it. So I'm gonna show you both of them. I just want to see how much it's moving a little bit. One more spin. Okay, I'll move these out of the way. Move this out of the way. I'll bring this one back. This one is showing a lot of turquoise. There. There, look at that. Same colors in both. Some of the magenta didn't show up a lot here. This one it did show up more. This one has a little more turquoise showing also. But they're both very nice. I swirled that one just to get rid of that big white blob in the middle, but this one I didn't need to do that. There you go. Have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carole's art room. I'll zoom in a little more. There. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell for notifications. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dry tiles. They dried nice and smooth and shiny, really nice. I love this blue. This one dried nice also. Yeah, I'm happy with these. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.